Hey guys, Lilo here, and I am coming at you from my kitchen. Just wanted to give you a quick look into the icebox in the pantry of what I did today. I did go shopping, and I did separate a lot of fruits and vegetables. I have a watermelon that's already cut up, and I have some lemon for my water, blueberries, carrots, and cucumbers. I have some broccoli with some feta cheese there. This is actually some ground turkey and some turkey breast. My turkey breast I actually do with artichoke, and I wanted to try some more of the chili and the meatloaf and meatballs. And there is my almond milk that goes with my Shakeology, and my juices that I put with my other protein. Spinach, I actually need to section that off and get some salads going. And into my pantry, I have my good old peanut butter that I also put with my chocolate Shakeology. That's right there. I have some more nuts. I have some oats. I have more juice, pasta, rice. This is actually the first time that I'm going to actually try this. And I'm full up on beans. So I think I am pretty much good to go for tomorrow. Everything except for the chin-up bar. I am last minute on that, considering it's 12 o'clock right now, and I still have some stuff to get ready before I head off to work tomorrow. So, but Monday night, starting Body Beast, and tomorrow morning, starting the diet. So, everything should be good, and I'm looking forward to beasting up. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.